welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my mom and we are going to be making pork adobo, her special recipe, which is my personal favorite. I mean, I may be biased, but I'm a very picky eater. So hers is the
we'll
best.
Name it adobo, pork adobo a la Camille.
Oh, okay. Why a la Camille?
Because you like it. That's your favorite.
It is my favorite. Yeah, so I guess this is pork adobo a la Camille. So we're going to go over the ingredients first.
First, we have vinegar.
Vinegar. Just white.
Native vinegar.
Native vinegar.
Then we have the soy sauce and we have the Silver Swan here. This is our soy sauce of choice because we grew up with Silver Swan.
So this is the Silver Swan soy sauce, and you said specifically for this adobo a la Camille, it has to be Silver Swan for the
soy sauce.
taste. Yes, this is a Philippine soy sauce.
Yes.
Okay, next.
And we have the sugar, the brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
We use the Muscovado.
Okay.
And the garlic.
Just regular garlic.
And the salt.
Salt.
And black pepper.
Just normal.
The normal,
brown.
any black pepper, yeah.
Black pepper.
Laurel leaves.
Bay leaves.
Bay leaves, we call it bay leaves too.
And you can get these at the Asian store.
And then Atsuete.
Atsuete. These are, I don't know what these are.
We call it Annatto seeds.
Annatto seeds.
Yeah, for coloring.
They're red.
That's a la Camille's adobo only with Annatto seeds. That's your dad's favorite. That's why.
It's my dad's favorite.
Yeah,
Okay.
because he wants the color.
So now we did the first step. What's the first step?
We have to, of course, you have to cut the pork into cubes. And then we will marinate it with vinegar, soy sauce, black pepper, garlic, and salt for 30 minutes. Okay, so the secret ng a la Camille's adobo na masarap is we have to marinate it with vinegar, soy sauce, salt, and black pepper, and we have to mix it evenly para pantay ang lasa. Okay, so we have to put this in the caldero, and
Want me to help you?
yeah, can you help me? We will let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the meat is soft and while we simmer the pork, like maybe 20 minutes, we will prepare this Annatto seeds, the Atsuete, and we will pour it in a warm water. Okay, here, pour it. We'll soak it for a few minutes until the color comes out. It will be orange color.
So this is what it looks like when the color comes out?
Yes.
Okay.
Then we will use the strainer.
Okay.
We'll just get the water. This is, the garlic, the half of the garlic, we marinate it, and half, I will use this later once the meat is already soft. I will use this to saute. And now, oh look, it's lumalambot na look. Okay. I'll saute the garlic. Okay, so I'm ready to put the pork and saute it.
We're sauteing the meat, the softened pork, and the garlic together. So after we are browning the pork and we take it out of the marinade, we are going to add the Atsuete juice, which came from the seeds that we had earlier, so we drained it, and we're going to be using the juice. And then are we also going to add the bay leaf?
Yeah, we will put it here together.
Okay, so now we're going to add those into our marinade from earlier. So what do I start with?
Yeah, you can put the
Atsuete juice.
juice.
Put that in.
Mhm.
Just-
Yeah, put it in the wood over. And
we're gonna add the bay leaves.
mhm. And sugar.
How many?
2 spoons of sugar will be okay.
2 spoons,
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Yeah, one more, just to taste. You can add later if. All right, and then keep on simmering until.
And stir. So now we've browned the meat and we're ready to add it to our marinade, just like that.
Put it back again to the marinade.
And then you're gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then after that, it'll be ready to eat. Okay, so this is the finished product. I'll show you guys a close-up of it somewhere for this. But okay, let's try it. Did you want a piece too?
Oh, you try it first. Good? Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, thank you. Can I try?
Hot.
So you describe it.
Let me try.
Mm.
The reason why I like this adobo is because it's not too salty, it's not too peppery, and like usually other adobos from restaurants, they have like the peppercorns, and sometimes you bite into it and it just doesn't really give you a good experience. So my mom doesn't use that at all. And I like it because it's not like chicken on the bone where you have to like cut it up and you get bone pieces everywhere. It's really easy to eat and it's just very flavorful, and I feel like the more bites you take, like the better that it gets. Like your first bite is good, but your second bite is
You keep
really
on
good.
eating and eating.
Yeah.
And it's good also if you freeze it for a long time and then after 2 days you're gonna eat it again.
Yeah.
Still
So
good.
how long can this stay in the freezer?
Even a week.
A week?
Yeah.
So up to a week.
Just freeze it, put it in the freezer.
And then you just reheat it.
Mm-hmm. Reheat it.
Okay. Well, that's it. That is our adobo a la Camille made by my mommy. Thanks, Mom.
Next time you're gonna make it.
Yeah, I'll make it myself.